In this video, I am going to show you step by step how you can add an advanced mega menu with images on your Shopify store for absolutely free. The free themes on Shopify generally do not allow us to add images in the mega menu, so we need to use a little bit of coding here to make the process much easier. To get started, simply head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is a demo store, and if I click on this View Store button, you'll see that this store doesn't have any mega menus at this moment. And now I will show you step by step how to add a mega menu, just like the one that's showing on your screen. I am using a free theme called Trade Theme on this store, but you can apply these steps in any free Shopify theme. The first step for us would be to create a menu. So, head over to the navigation option on the left. Here, you'll see these two menus. Simply go to the main menu option, as this is the one that'll be visible on our store header. I have a lot of products and collections available for this store, and I will use the mega menu to segment every single collection so that the visitors can directly access them from the main menu. I will add all the collections in the catalog option here. So, click on this Add Item option. If you look at our mega menu, you will see that we have two categories here. One is for men's fashion, and the other one is for kids. And then there are three subcategories under both categories. So, I will simply add men's fashion category here, and then under the link option, I will add the homepage link and confirm. Next, we need to drag and drop this item under the catalog option. Next up, we need to add a kids offers category here. So, I will simply repeat the same steps and add a kids category here. And then I will hit the Save button. Now, if you visit your store homepage, you'll see that the men's and kids categories are added under Catalog. Next, we need to add three subcategories here as well. So, I will click on Add Menu Item option, and then I will create a subcategory for shirts. Here, I will add my shirts collection link, and then click on this Add button. Next, we need to drag and drop this under men's fashion option, and it will look something like this. I will now repeat the same process and add the other two subcategories under men's fashion. And then I will also add three subcategories under kids section. Once all of it is done, you'll see a menu like this. First, we have the catalog here. Then we have men's fashion category with its three subcategories. And then we have kids offers with its three subcategories. Okay, now let's exit this menu editor and then click on Themes option on the left. Next, click on this Customize button, which will take us to the Shopify theme editor, from where we can change the look and feel of our store. On the left-hand side, you'll see the header option. Here, under Menu, you need to make sure that the main menu option is selected. And then under Desktop menu type, the Mega Menu option should be selected. If you select the drop-down option, your menu will look something like this, where you'll have to use this down arrow to navigate through each category. We also have the drawer option, which will put the entire menu on the left drawer. This is a good option if you have a simple menu, but for our menu, this option will be a bit complicated. So I will select the Mega Menu option here. And now, if we click on this catalog option, you'll see that all the options are perfectly structured as a mega menu. And now, the only thing left is to add images in this menu. And as I said earlier, the free themes does not have the option to add images in the mega menu. To add that feature, we need to take the help of coding. And I recently found this code from a developer, which we can use to add image feature on our theme. I will leave this code link in the video description. When you click on it, you'll be taken to this Notion page. Here, you'll find different codes based on your Shopify theme version. You need to open the code based on your theme version, and then simply copy it. On the Shopify dashboard, go to the Themes option, and you'll see the latest version of your theme. Now, before editing the code, it's important to duplicate the theme file. So, go to the three dots, and then click on Duplicate. And within a few seconds, you'll have a duplicate version of your theme. Next, go to the three dots, and click on this Edit Code button. This will take us to the Shopify code editor. Since we want to change the header, I will search for the header. Next, go to this header.liquid option. Simply click anywhere in the code, and then use the short key Ctrl+A to select the entire code, and then remove the entire code from here. Next, open the Notion document and then copy the code from here. And then paste it on this theme editor. And then hit the Save button. Next, go to the three dots and click on Customize Theme, which will take you to the Shopify editor. On the left settings, under Header, you'll see this Add Block option now. And when you click on it, you'll see this Menu Image option now. This option was added thanks to the code we used earlier. So click on it, and it will be added here. When you click on this menu image, you'll see these options. First, we have the link name here, where we need to add the name of the parent category. In our case, it is going to be the catalog. Next, click on this select image, and then you can add your own image here. And then confirm. Next, under title, I will name it as Best Sellers, and then in the link option, I will simply add a collection and confirm. And now if I click on Catalog, you'll see that the Best Sellers collection with the image is added to this menu. I will repeat the same process once again to add another image in this mega menu. But this time, I will name it as New Arrivals. And now, if we go to Catalog, you'll see that this image is also added to the menu. We can also change these image position by simply dragging them up or down. One thing to note here is that we can change the position of this image by simply changing the link name here. For example, if I add Home option instead of Catalog, you'll see that the image is now shifted under the Home option. Another thing to note here is that you need to type the correct name here. For example, if you type Home with small h, the image will not be visible in the menu, as the first letter of Home is in capital in the menu. So make sure to avoid these mistakes. Next, I will save all the changes we've made so far. Next, you'll see that the current status of this theme is showing as a draft, so we need to publish it. So I will exit this editor now, and then I will publish this theme copy as the main theme of our store. So I will click on this Publish button and then confirm. And now if we go to our online store, you can see that the images are perfectly showing here. And if we click on it, we'll be taken to the collection pages. Of course, this menu does not look very professional, but you can make it much more attractive by adding some high-quality images here. If you are using a free Shopify theme, then this is the best choice. Alternatively, you'll find many Shopify apps in the Shopify App Store, which will help you create a professional-looking mega menu for your store. I will leave such apps links in the video description. Personally, I prefer to use a premium Shopify theme for my store, as most of the premium theme comes up with different mega menu options. And nowadays, you can get premium Shopify themes for less than $100. So it always makes sense to spend some money on premium themes, as it will not only help with the mega menu, but it will also differentiate your store from other stores that are using free themes. You can buy top-quality Shopify themes from platforms like Envato Elements and Envato Market. I've personally used these premium themes in my clients' stores, and I can confidently say that these themes are safe to use and provide better quality. For example, take a look at this Ella theme, for example. This theme offers 5 different mega menu designs to the users. This theme has over 50 pre-designed templates and many more features. Take a look at this mobile menu, for example. It is looking very professional and it makes it very easy to navigate different products. And this is only one example. You'll find hundreds and thousands of premium Shopify themes on the Theme Forest Marketplace. I highly recommend that you use these premium themes on your store. And to make your work easier, I've already created a video where I've shared some of the top-performing Shopify premium themes. You can watch that video by clicking here. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.